Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to set your BIOS time in case you have changed the battery on your PC. So we're going to update the BIOS clock. First of all, you're going to click escape. Then when you reach escape, it will take you to the startup menu. Then I want you to go to the BIOS. When you reach the BIOS, I want you to go to change date and time. So in our case, we are in 2020, but our PC is showing 2016. So what we are going to do, you're going to press the arrows. Today is 25th, 2020, and in January. Then let me check here my clock. I want to set the time to, as you can see, so I'll click enter, then I'll go to the time. It is 3:29. 3:29. Let me put 30. Then you click enter. Then you click on save changes. And in our case, we are having the HP Pro Desk. Then you click enter, save changes, and you quit. Also save changes. So when the computer boots, I expect to see no issues with the time. So this helps you whenever you try to boot your PC. Sometimes other computers, when the battery of the BIOS goes off, it will cause problems like starting up. So this is how you fix on how to update your time on your HP, and this could work on other versions. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.